Hey, I think you got a little milk on you. And of course, the dog to the rescue. Hey, Jax. Jax. Jackson. Really? Hey, Jackson. Oh, is that one better because it's dry? Don't feed it to the dog. He's already going to poop everywhere.